Hey, it's Tony Miranda, and you are now watching Tony TV, your partner in self-development, empowerment to become a success magnet. How do you treat your clients and customers? Do you focus on outcome or income? How about when you deal with your colleagues and office mates? Do you focus on outcome and income? When you do your company budget or planning for the following year, especially now that 2020 is coming, do you focus on outcome or income? And when you try to achieve your sales, work towards your business success and professional growth, which one do you choose? Outcome or income? When you want to focus on outcome, you will ensure that the way of achieving it is done through moral, righteous, and quality way. You will be very careful that the service and your product are of quality and been carefully thought of before you launch them. For setting your budget, you will also consider developing your people and not only just launching immediately your products and services. But when you focus on achieving income and just income, there is a chance that it is not out of a righteous way or not being done in a careful way and quality. That's why some companies, they go with the numbers but not necessarily the quality way. And I have even witnessed some organizations wherein they make sure that they will have a lot of members and quantity but not necessarily quality. You see, when you choose and when we focus on just achieving income, there's a chance that we try to shortcut everything. We wanted immediately the one time big shot. But when we are conscious and intentional of choosing outcome, we are very careful and mindful with our ways, with our procedures, and we make sure that there's integrity, quality, and credibility. So once again, which one do you choose? Outcome or income? Make sure you choose wisely. Was there any particular insight or takeaway that you got from our segment? And what kind of action will you take out of the learnings from today? So thank you. Thank you very much to Golden Phoenix Hotel Manila for sponsoring our location for our weekly Tony TV. And please comment below whatever topics you always want us to discuss every week. And subscribe to our YouTube and all our social media for Radiance Image Consultancy and Tony Miranda PH. We will put all the links below. And once again, let's all aim to inspire, influence, and create positive impact so we will all become extraordinary inside and out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time here in Tony TV.